Hey Snohomish and King County, I am here in my latest listing. It is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, new LVP flooring, fresh paint, new stove, new dishwasher. It is fenced on the end, covered patio, and a giant side yard. I can hardly wait to show it to you, so let's go check it out. So guys, what did you think? Don't you love this backyard and the covered patio? Perfect for barbecuing in the winter, all seasons, and the weather didn't cooperate, but there is a beautiful view of the Olympics out that way. So if you would like to schedule a showing, please give me a call on my cell phone. And if you need any real estate help, give us a call where you get old-fashioned service using today's tech. And until I get a chance to talk to you, take good care. Bye-bye.